Imagine you bite into an apple. That satisfying crunch, the exact texture, the pressure your brain registers it instantly. Now imagine that feeling is muted, disconnected, because the teeth doing the work are implants. Millions of people get dental implants every year, but they all share one fundamental drawback. They feel foreign. Traditional implants don't talk to your brain. But what if a new generation of smart implants could restore that natural sensory connection? Today we're diving into groundbreaking research from Tufts University that could make the sensation of a dental implant virtually indistinguishable from a real tooth. To understand this breakthrough, we first need to look at a natural tooth. A real tooth is not fused directly to the bone. It's suspended by a microscopic hammock of soft tissue called the periodontal ligament, or PDL. This ligament is rich in nerves. It's the PDL that acts as a sensor, giving you that crucial feedback and ability to gauge pressure and texture. Traditional dental implants, however, are essentially titanium posts that undergo a process called osseointegration, meaning they fuse directly to the jawbone. This provides incredible stability, but it completely bypasses the sensory network. It's metal meeting bone. The result is a lack of feedback, often leading to excessive biting forces and an unnatural feeling while chewing or speaking. The technology is great, but it's silent to the brain. Researchers at Tufts set out to solve this silence. Their solution is a complex bioengineered approach. The smart implant features a traditional titanium base, but it's the coating that makes the difference. This is a biodegradable wrap, and it's a tiny powerhouse. It's loaded with stem cells and a specialized protein that encourages their growth. As this coating naturally dissolves during the healing process, it releases these components, effectively fueling the regeneration of new nerve tissue and soft ligament material around the implant. The goal is to recreate that crucial PDL layer, but there's another layer of ingenuity. The surgery itself, traditional implant surgery often risks damaging nearby existing nerve endings. The Tufts team tackled this by incorporating nanofibrous tiny, rubbery particles that act like memory foam into the coating. These particles are compressed when the implant is inserted, allowing for a minimally invasive procedure that preserves existing nerves. Once in place, they gently expand to create a snug, perfect fit. This new method aims for soft tissue integration, not bone fusion. It's designed to reconnect the implant to the surrounding neural network, finally allowing the implant to talk to the brain just like a real tooth. The initial results in rat models are incredibly promising. After 6 weeks, the implants were stable, and crucially, imaging revealed a distinct space between the implant and the bone, evidence of that critical soft tissue layer forming, rather than the hard fusion seen in traditional implants. Furthermore, there were no signs of inflammation or rejection. Of course, this is just the beginning. The next critical step is a preclinical study to confirm the sensory return. Researchers need to monitor brain activity to prove that the newly regenerated nerves are actually relaying sensory information. After that, we can look forward to larger animal models and eventual human trials. This technology is also poised to revolutionize more than just dentistry. The core principle using a specialized coating to promote nerve and soft tissue regeneration at a bone-to-implant interface could transform orthopedic procedures like hip replacements or fracture repair, offering a more natural, comfortable, and functional recovery. From a silent titanium post to a truly integrated sensory organ, this research represents a massive leap forward in biomedical engineering. The day is coming when a dental implant won't just look real, it will feel real, restoring the full, complex experience of chewing and speaking. What do you think about the future of biointegrated technology? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this dive into scientific research fascinating, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to scientific research videos for more deep dives into the science shaping our future.